Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, I'm reviewing the Not Your Mother's Leave-In Conditioner with Royal Kalahari Melon and Honey. If you've been on the hunt for a leave-in conditioner that helps reconstruct dry, damaged hair while offering a gentle yet effective formula for daily use, this product might just be what you're looking for. Let's dive right into the details. This leave-in conditioner is a part of the Not Your Mother's collection, known for offering plant-based formulas that are both effective and affordable. The Royal Kalahari Melon and Honey variant is designed to fortify and hydrate dry strands with a blend of plant-derived ingredients. It's free from parabens, gluten, and sulfates, which is a huge plus for anyone looking for a cleaner hair care routine. The 8 Falaz bottle is perfect for everyday use, and it's formulated to help bring life back to damaged hair, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and revitalized. So, how did it perform in real-world testing? I tried this leave-in conditioner for a few weeks to see how it works with my regular routine. First off, it has a light, refreshing scent that's not overpowering, which is a nice touch if you're sensitive to fragrances. The formula is creamy, but lightweight, making it super easy to apply without weighing my hair down. It doesn't leave any sticky residue or greasy feel, which I've experienced with some other leave-in conditioners. You apply it to damp hair, and then you're good to go. No rinse required. When I first started using it, I noticed that my hair felt a lot smoother and less frizzy after drying. Over time, it seemed like my hair was more manageable and didn't break as easily. This conditioner seems to provide that balance of hydration without leaving hair too heavy, which is often a challenge with leave-ins. But it's not all perfect. One downside is that the hydration isn't as intense as some heavier leave-in treatments. If you have very dry or coarse hair, you might need something a bit more nourishing. The formula works well for most hair types, but those with extremely dry, thick, or curly hair may not find it moisturizing enough on its own. When it comes to value for money, I think it's reasonably priced for what you're getting. The plant-based ingredients and the fact that it's free from harsh chemicals definitely add value, but I wouldn't say it's a miracle worker for extremely damaged hair. It's a great option if you're looking for something gentle for regular use. But if your hair needs more intensive repair, you might want to consider something a little richer. Compared to other leave-in conditioners in this price range, it holds its own. I've seen similar formulas with a heavier price tag that promise deep repair, but those can often come with more complex ingredients that may not always justify the cost. Not Your Mother's offers something more affordable without skimping on quality, so if you're on a budget, this is a solid choice. As for build quality, the packaging is pretty straightforward. The bottle is plastic, and it's easy to squeeze out just the right amount of product. It doesn't feel flimsy, and the cap stays secure, which is always a good sign in a product you're using often. In terms of longevity, it's important to note that like most leave-in conditioners, it's meant to be used daily, so the bottle won't last forever if you're applying it to longer hair. But given the price point, I think you're still getting a decent amount of use out of it before needing a replacement. I didn't have any direct interaction with the brand's customer support, but Not Your Mother's has a solid reputation for addressing customer inquiries. They're pretty active on social media, so if you run into any issues or have questions, you can count on them to respond quickly. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, there are plenty out there, but not all of them have the same balance of plant-based ingredients and gentle formula. You could look into brands like Shea Moisture or OGX, which offer leave-ins at a similar price point, but the ingredients and effects may vary. However, Not Your Mother's stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness at a budget-friendly price. So what's the final verdict? The Not Your Mother's leave-in conditioner with Royal Kalahari Melon and Honey is a solid everyday product that delivers hydration and smoothness for most hair types. It's gentle enough for daily use, free from harsh chemicals, and it won't leave your hair feeling weighed down. It might not be the best for extremely dry or damaged hair, but if you're looking for something light and easy to incorporate into your routine, it's definitely worth considering. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support really helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below to let us know what you think. We love hearing your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.